Polypropylene pellets begin the journey toward durable molded seating products. This sample looks clean and consistent. Chemical engineers transform hydrocarbon feedstocks into consistent polypropylene resin grades. Feed pressure is holding right on target. Pressure is steady. Keep the catalyst feed unchanged.
Controlled reactors build long polymer chains under carefully managed pressure.
Molten polypropylene becomes uniform pellets through precision cooling and cutting.
The cut length is right where we need it.
Recycled plastic supplies valuable material for new chair production cycles.
That one goes to the mixed plastic bin.
Modern recovery centers separate usable plastics from mixed consumer waste.
Pull that dark piece before it reaches the bunker.
Bulk resin arrives in sealed rail cars to prevent moisture contamination. Pressure looks good. Start the transfer slowly. Uniform pellet size ensures stable melting inside injection molding machines. Uniform size will help the resin feed evenly. Clean recycled flakes reduce waste while preserving dependable structural performance. This batch is clean enough for controlled blending. Color Master Batch gives each chair a consistent, durable, finished appearance. The blue tone matches the approved production standard. Stabilizers protect molded chairs from sunlight, heat, and long-term aging. Keep the dosage exact for reliable outdoor performance. Laboratory testing confirms every resin batch meets strict processing requirements.
The flow rate will confirm proper molding behavior.
Dry resin prevents bubbles, streaks, and weak spots during molding. Dry material will prevent surface defects during injection.
Technicians compare virgin and recycled materials before approving production blends.
This recycled percentage remains within the approved performance range.
Veteran crews recover damaged chairs for responsible material recycling programs.
This chair is marked PP, so it can be recovered.
Experienced sorters identify resin codes before plastics enter reprocessing streams. That code matches the chair-grade recovery stream. Metal parts and labels must be removed before plastic shredding begins.
All hardware must come off before shredding.
The gate is secured. Begin the compression cycle. Compacted chair fragments travel efficiently while reducing storage and shipping volume. Careful sampling protects downstream equipment from contaminated or incompatible plastics. We'll test this fragment before releasing the bale. Recovered plastic begins its next journey toward durable molded chairs. The shipment is verified and ready for loading. Approved plastic bales move from collection zones toward secure transport staging. Keep this lot together through the entire shipment.
Veteran crews verify bale labels before every outbound shipment leaves.
Hold that bale until the tag is corrected. Recovered chair plastics are weighed to document accurate material quantities. The measured weight matches the approved shipment total. Protective wrapping keeps recycled polypropylene clean throughout the transportation process.
Keep the identification clear and protect every exposed surface.
Careful staging prevents contamination and keeps each recovery lot traceable.
Move Lot 7 to the green staging lane.
Forklift operators load compacted plastic safely using balanced pallet positions. Straight ahead, then lower the pallet slowly. Load straps secure heavy bales against shifting during long-distance travel.
The straps are tight enough to prevent shifting.
Shipping documents connect every bale directly to its original recovery source.
The trailer and material records match exactly.
Veteran shipping teams perform final checks before closing trailer doors. All pallets are secure. Close and seal the trailer. Sealed loads travel from recovery centers toward modern molding facilities. Weatherproof trailers protect recycled resin from rain, dust, and debris. No leaks, damage, or movement are visible. Transport schedules carefully coordinate material arrivals with factory receiving operations. Assign the recycled load before the afternoon resin delivery.
Recovered polypropylene reaches the plant, ready for controlled intake procedures.
6 feet remaining. Keep the trailer centered. Industrial scales confirm delivered weight for inventory and traceability records.
The delivered weight is within the approved tolerance.
Inspectors examine every bale for moisture, damage, and visible contamination.
Mark this section for sampling before release.
Sample testing verifies recovered plastic exactly matches approved polypropylene specifications.
The sample matches the approved polypropylene material specification.
Accepted material safely enters quarantine storage before initial processing begins. Store the entire lot here until processing approval.
Workers remove protective wrapping before recycled plastic enters the cleaning line.
Keep the lot label attached.
Hydraulic tippers release compressed plastics onto controlled sorting conveyors safely. The conveyor is clear. Continue the tipping cycle. Experienced sorters remove contaminants before plastics reach size reduction equipment. Keep only verified polypropylene on the green line. Metal detectors protect shredders from hidden screws, brackets, and fasteners. The detector is responding correctly before production begins. Rotating drums remove loose dirt before intensive water-based cleaning begin.
Airflow is steady, and the debris removal looks effective.
High-pressure water strips dirt from textured chair surfaces effectively. Increase the pressure slightly on the upper spray bank. Controlled detergent washing removes oils, labels, and stubborny surface residues.
Hold the concentration within the approved cleaning range.
The final rinse is clean and free of detergent.
Freshwater rinsing removes detergent before plastic enters mechanical drying equipment.
Centrifugal force removes surface water before final thermal drying begins.
Vibration remains stable at full operating speed. Heated air completes drying and prepares clean plastic for shredding.
The material is dry enough for clean shredding. Twin-shaft shredders reduce bulky chair parts into manageable plastic pieces. Reduce the feed speed until that piece clears.
Hardened cutters tear thick chair sections into rough, recyclable fragments. The cutters are handling the material without excessive load.
Secondary granulators create uniform flakes for efficient melting and blending.
The granulated material matches the approved screen dimension.
Air classification removes paper, foam, and lightweight label contamination efficiently.
The airflow is separating labels without losing usable plastic. Optical sensors sort flakes by color and material characteristics automatically.
Keep the dark fraction below the approved formulation limit.
Final manual inspection catches contaminants missed by automated sorting equipment. This stream is clean enough for controlled blending.
Pneumatic systems transfer clean flakes into dedicated traceable storage silos.
Route this batch to recycled silo number 3.
Gravimetric feeders measure every ingredient for consistent chair material formulations. The formulation matches today's blue chair specification.
The master batch is dispersed evenly throughout the blend.
Intensive mixing distributes color and stabilizers throughout the resin blend. Twin screw extruders melt and homogenize the complete polypropylene formulation thoroughly.
The melt profile is stable across the entire barrel. Molten polypropylene passes through fine screens that remove remaining contaminants.
The filtration pressure remains within the approved operating range.
Filtered polymer strands cool evenly before being cut into uniform pellets. The water temperature is holding each strand within specification. Rotating cutters produce consistent compound pellets for dependable molding performance.
The cut length is uniform across every strand position.
Cooling systems stabilize fresh pellets before storage and final quality checks.
The pellets are cool enough for safe storage.
Technicians inspect compound pellets for color, shape, and contamination consistency.
Color and pellet geometry both match the approved standard.
Approved pellets move pneumatically into silos serving the molding department. Send this approved compound to molding silo number 5.
Drying hoppers remove residual moisture before high-temperature injection molding begins.
Residual moisture is safely below the production limit.
Automated feeders deliver precise resin quantities to each molding machine. Every cycle is receiving the correct resin weight.
Large injection molding cells transform prepared resin into complete chair bodies.
We begin the blue chair run after the mold inspection.
Precision steel molds define every curve, rib, leg, and surface texture.
The cavity surface is clean and ready for production.
Massive clamping systems close chair molds with precisely controlled force.
Alignment is correct, and clamp pressure is building evenly.
Heated barrels and rotating screws convert pellets into uniform molten resin. The resin is melting uniformly without excessive thermal stress.
High pressure drives molten polypropylene throughout the complex chair cavity.
The cavity is filling evenly from the center outward.
Holding pressure prevents shrinkage while the filled chair cavity begins cooling.
Pressure remains balanced across the seat, back, and leg sections.
Balanced cooling channels solidify thick and thin chair sections evenly.
Increase flow through the rear leg circuit by 5%.
The back panel needs several more seconds before release.
Thermal monitoring confirms the chair has cooled evenly before mold opening.
The mold opens to reveal a complete, freshly formed chair body.
The part is fully formed and releasing cleanly. Robotic grippers remove warm chairs without scratching or deforming surfaces. The gripper is supporting the seat without stressing the legs.
Cooling fixtures preserve chair geometry while remaining internal heat dissipates.
All 4 legs remain aligned during final cooling. Coordinated molding cells produce strong chairs through repeatable automate cycles.
The molding cycle is stable and meeting today's target. Trimming removes gates and flash from each newly molded chair.
The gate is removed flush without cutting into the seat.
Precision tools smooth edges while preserving every molded design detail.
The surface is smooth, but the molded texture remains unchanged.
Automated routers create clean openings and consistent finished contours precisely.
The opening diameter and position are both within tolerance.
Heated finishing tools seal minor edge roughness without damaging surfaces.
Use only brief contact to avoid gloss or discoloration.
Completed chairs enter controlled conditioning before final inspection and testing.
The batch has reached a stable inspection temperature.
Inspectors examine every chair for visible defects and molding inconsistencies.
No voids, burns, or incomplete filling are visible. Dimensional gauges verify seat width, height, and leg spacing accurately.
All measured dimensions match the released chair specification.
Flatness checks confirm all 4 chair legs contact evenly together.
All 4 legs contact the reference surface evenly.
Backrest angle measurements ensure comfort and structural consistency across production.
The backrest angle matches the approved ergonomic design.
Load testing confirms chairs safely support their specified working capacity. Deflection remains controlled under the full specified load.
Repeated impact testing evaluates durability under demanding everyday use conditions.
The chair recovered fully with no permanent deformation.
Inspectors flex chair legs to identify hidden stress or weakness.
No hidden weakness appears during the torsional loading cycle.
Surface lighting stations reveal scratches, sink marks, and color variation clearly.
The surface remains smooth with no visible sink marks.
Texture comparisons confirm consistent patterns across every molded chair surface.
The molded grain remains consistent across every major surface.
Final visual inspection separates approved chairs from units needing correction.
Send this unit for cleaning, not rejection.
Laboratory samples verify resin flow remains stable throughout production cycles.
The flow rate remains consistent with the approved molding range.
Colorimeter measurements confirm each chair matches the approved color standard.
Color variation remains below the permitted production limit.
Microscopic examination identifies surface defects invisible during normal visual inspection.
No foreign particles or microscopic cracking are present.
Weathering tests predict long-term resistance to sunlight and temperature changes.
The stabilized material retains color and surface integrity.
Laboratory results determine whether each production batch receives final approval.
Every required result meets the released quality specification.
Final refinement prepares approved chairs for clean, damage-free packaging operations. The surface is clean and ready for packaging.
Filtered air removes loose particles before protective materials contact chairs.
Airflow is reaching the underside and every molded recess.
Soft cleaning systems eliminate fingerprints while preserving molded surface texture.
The finish is clean without changing the molded appearance.
Protective feet pads prevent scratches during stacking, transport, and storage.
Every protective pad is centered and fully seated.
Final release labels connect every chair to verified production records.
The identification links directly to the approved production batch.
Packaging crews organize chairs by model, color, and customer order.
Redirect that unit to domestic order 4287.
Automatic counters verify exact chair quantities before wrapping operations begin.
The order quantity is complete and ready for stacking.
Reusable nesting fixtures align chairs safely without deforming molded legs. Clearance is correct, and no legs are under stress. Protective separators prevent stacked chairs from rubbing during distribution handling.
Every contact point is protected from rubbing during shipment.
Flexible sleeves shield finished surfaces from dust, abrasion, and damage.
The sleeve covers every surface without hiding the order label.
Heat-controlled film wraps chair stacks securely without stressing product surfaces.
Reduce the upper tension to protect the backrest edges.
Wrapping tension is adjusted to keep every stack stable and protected.
The package is stable, and wrap pressure remains evenly distributed.
Printed labels identify chair model, color, quantity, and destination clearly.
Every required detail is clear, correct, and readable.
Barcode scanning links each package to complete traceability data records.
The barcode opens the complete package and production history.
Date codes document when each approved chair package was completed.
The completion code matches today's approved production record.
Quality seals show packages remained closed after final inspection approval.
Any opening after inspection will be clearly visible.
Shipping documents confirm package counts, weights, and order requirements accurately.
Counts, weight, labels, and destination all match the order. Automated applicators place durable labels in consistent, visible positions securely. All handling labels are aligned and facing the aisle.
Corrugated sleeves protect stacked chairs while allowing efficient warehouse handling.
The sleeve protects the package while preserving easy handling access.
Palletizing systems build balanced loads for secure warehouse movement operations. Keep every package centered to build a balanced load.
Automated wrapping secures every palletized chair package for warehouse movement.
Keep the lower wraps firm and the upper pressure gentle.
Pallet inspections confirm balance, dimensions, wrap integrity, and shipping readiness.
The pallet is square, balanced, and within shipping dimensions.
Released pallets enter warehouse control after packaging documentation is completed.
Packaging is complete, and warehouse control now owns the pallet.
Warehouse scanners assign each pallet a precise, traceable storage location.
Store this order in aisle 12, rack position 4. High bay racking stores chair packages efficiently while preserving accessibility safely.
Position the pallet fully against the rear location stop.
Regular warehouse inspections protect packaged chairs from moisture and damage.
The package is undamaged, but this film edge needed securing.
Climate monitoring preserves packaging strength and chair appearance during storage.
Temperature and humidity remain stable throughout the storage zone.
Order picking moves verified pallets from storage toward outbound staging.
This is the correct pallet for today's regional shipment.
Outbound teams verify pallet identity before assigning each trailer position. Assign this pallet to position 2 for early delivery.
Forklift operators load chair pallets according to balanced trailer plans. Set this load square against the front alignment blocks. Load bars and straps prevent pallet movement during long-distance transportation.
The load is restrained without excessive pressure on the packages.
Shipping documents verify destinations, quantities, seals, and departure authorization accurately.
Sealed trailers depart the factory carrying protected chair orders safely.
Trailer 18 is sealed, documented, and cleared for departure.
Regional distribution centers receive chair pallets for organized local delivery.
The shipment arrived sealed and exactly on schedule.
Retail deliveries bring packaged chairs safely from warehouses to stores.
5 blue chairs arrived with packaging fully intact.
Finished chairs reach customers after a fully controlled manufacturing journey.
These chairs are clean, stable, and ready for customers.